Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your MobiOffice app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on settings here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, so you come here to quick accesses notification panel, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's here quick accesses notification panel disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.